Today we're building a mold for an epoxy-river serving tray. This is a great project for making handcrafted personal gifts that friends will cherish for years. We're starting off here on the table saw and the planer, making the walls and base of the mold based on our board measurements. It's important that our mold is reusable. For this reason, we've decided to use pull-action toggle clamps to hold it together. You can see the mold coming together here. The toggle clamps securing the mold walls are easy to unlatch and dismantle. Constructing the base is very important. Leveling legs are crucial for ensuring the mold is truly flat before the epoxy is poured. Putting down tape is very important to avoid epoxy leaking from the mold after pouring. We went with T-tracks and blocks to hold the stock down. Otherwise, the stock will float to the top of the epoxy during the curing process. The actual mixing ratios and curing times of epoxy depends on the product you're using. Check the epoxy manufacturer's instructions for more details. Once the epoxy is cured, taking apart the mold is as easy as popping the latches. This is all about being able to reuse the mold again and again. We finish off our piece with a little sanding and planing to remove any excess epoxy, and also to achieve the required board thickness. Finally, using multi-track brackets as support, we add the final touches. Our end product is a very attractive serving tray, and also a perfect gift.